Thank you for watching this video. I am going to bring you either tips, helps, or something that I have found on the web in this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Also, I have some affiliate offers down below. Click those, and we appreciate all those that have supported us and are coming along with us. Stay tuned for the video. This is JJ Media. We'll be right back. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Hey, I wanted to bring you a quick way to kind of merge words together. If you are doing online searching and keyword research, and you find keywords and you end up trying to pull everything together, we are living in a browser world where a lot of software, you don't have computer-based software. So I wanted to just bring you a way that I use all the time to bring in some keywords. So I do use the keyword tool IO, and of course you can do the Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram, and Twitter keywords. So let's just go Google and local car repair, and let's just pull up the keywords. And okay, I just doing this for example. Let's just go ahead and let's just copy all these. I'm not doing any search volume or anything, just kind of showing you what this will do. Okay, I'm just going to copy these. You can go down through, pick whatever you want. I'm going to copy these, paste them into here, and you can quickly. I live near, let's see, West Palm Beach, and let's go Florida. So what you can actually do is let's drop West Palm Beach, Jupiter, to Cuesta, Hobe Sound, and Stewart. It's kind of going up the coast. Okay, just kind of showing you this is the area I live in. So, and then you can quickly merge. So there you go. You can have the quick titles to your videos and or your pages that you want to use on your website. And it is a very quick way to do it. It's all online, and with you can do the search and just make it real quick, and you can copy that into a notepad, and then make your videos and find your keywords like that. Another thing I want to do, of course, it does do YouTube, in which YouTube is huge, and of course this is more of a local car repair instead of a national keyword. It's that local throws the keyword off. But let's go ahead and just see what's happening on Instagram. Okay, nothing there. And Twitter should be nope. Okay, just Google. Okay, I wasn't sure. Hadn't really checked it out. Okay, well, another thing you can do was I was doing this mainly for the merge words. But another thing I wanted to show you is you can do questions. And where is the best car repair? And okay, where are the best car repair manuals? What are the best car repair? So you can actually use that. Those questions are typically from Google, and you could do the same thing and copy these and then go over and paste those in, so, and it automatically adds in the combinations. Prepositions. Okay, let's go. Where is car repair near me? See what happens. Okay, it does. And then it just automatically pulls up keywords that people have searched. And again, you don't know the volume, you have no idea. But I just want to kind of bring you this to all the ones that watch my videos, that there is a easy way to drop in local keywords, drop into town, into Florida, or I mean your state, town and state, and you can drop in, say I've done searches and worked with businesses even all over the world, but say you wanted to drop in like Los Angeles, California, you can keep these and then drop in whatever town you want in the state, and it quickly merges it together, and that way you can just keep dropping into different cities and merge together. There are extra options. You can actually do a separator. Okay, let's go minus if you ever want it between, and a lot of times for web sites, for pages. I know I use WordPress, I use a separator. Okay, how about the plus? Or you can do a custom space like that, and there you go. It's pretty cool. You can wrap it in quotes, and you can do a lot with this merge words. So I'll drop the link below. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and make sure you subscribe, share, and join us below in our social media. That's subscribe, share, and join us below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.